Okay. The biggest and most important problem with the guys now every trader is fighting with the emotions of his own. What happens whenever you take a trade? Most people buys on FOMO, fear of losing out. Please don't speak in the. Let me mute everyone. व्हाट क्या होता है बहुत लोगों का होता है कि ट्रेड लेने के फोमो में लेते हैं। अभी एचपीएल इलेक्ट्रिक मैंने मल्टीबैगर बोला था 101 को था तब आई टोल्ड एचपीएल इलेक्ट्रिक हैज मल्टीबैगर एट 101 बट नो वन बॉट दैट ऑन दैट प्राइस इन 2 days after I am telling I told the stock started moving after 4 days. What happens, Srikant ji? Okay. Now, anyone has any problem? No audio. Maybe wait. Is my voice is clear or in chat section people are telling that audio is not coming?
Yes, sir. Voice is audible.
तो what I was telling you that many people एक्सपीएल इलेक्ट्रिक का देख लो मैंने बोला था वहां पे नेक्स्ट वीक स्टार्ट हो गया मूव करने फिर लोगों ने बाय करना स्टार्ट कर दिया when the stock already gone up कुछ लोगों की बाइंग तो 133 पे है आफ्टर 30% मूव इतना लेट क्यों बाय करते हो आप मतलब तो क्या होता है सब लोग जब आपको कंफर्मेशन चाहिए देयर इज नो कंफर्मेशन इन द मार्केट यू हैव टू टेक एंट्री ऑन अ प्री डिफाइंड रिस्क लेवल आपको एक स्टॉप लॉस लगाना होगा 5 रुपए का मे बी 2 रुपीज का One minute, guys. Hello. Now everyone is comfortable. Okay. Okay. See the stock name HPL Electric. Told guys when the stock was hovering around 100 and it went to 130, 138 and people are now started buying. Okay. The valid buy point was 111. So don't buy in FOMO. We can't hear you. Is my voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Srikantji, issue may be from your side. Please check and don't message in the chat box. It is deviating my attention. Hope guys you understand this. This is a very important lecture. So today we will see these 5 things. And the famous quote from Richard Wilson that when there is nothing to do nothing. अगर कोई ट्रेड नहीं मिल रहा तो डोंट ट्रेड व्हाट हैपेंस मेनी पीपल क्या लोग क्या कर रहे हैं कि अगर उनके पास कैपिटल है पड़ा हुआ 20,000 25,000 है अगर मैंने कुछ ट्रेड नहीं लिया तो किसी के भी ग्रुप से कोई भी चीज आने के बाद इन्वेस्ट कर दे रहे हैं नहीं तो खुद का खुद अगर बोर हो रहा है कुछ है नहीं कुछ मिल नहीं रहा तब भी वो इन्वेस्ट कर दे रहे डोंट डू दैट थिंग डोंट इन्वेस्ट व्हेन देयर इज नथिंग टू इन्वेस्ट
सर वॉइस क्लियर नहीं आ रही थोड़ा माइक को सही कर लो
ओके so today we will be seeing 10 bad habits of unsuccessful traders and how to deal with emotions general rules and make risk management your friend. And what makes successful traders different? So let's start with this. Money is made by discounting the obvious and betting on the unexpected. सम डेज बिफोर, कुछ दिन पहले सब लोगों को लग रहा था कि मार्केट, पूरी दुनिया खत्म होने वाली है, रशिया यूक्रेन का वॉर चल गया, कोविड आ गया, मार्केट गिरने वाला है, इट विल निफ्टी विल कम एट टू 10,000 8,000, बहुत लोगों ने बहुत टारगेट दे दिए. बट व्हाट हैपन, जब वैसे टारगेट आते हैं ना, तब हमेशा बड़े प्लेयर्स एक्यूमुलेट करना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. और उसी टाइम हम क्या करते हैं, हमारे जो फंडामेंटली अच्छी वैल्यूएशन के जो स्टॉक होते हैं उसको सेल कर देते हैं. So that's why the obvious traders that everyone thinks are no winner. अगर सब लोगों को लेके एक स्टॉक अगर अच्छा लग रहा है और सब लोगों ने बाय कर लिया ना, तो समझ लो कि वो स्टॉक मूव नहीं करना. Why? There is no buyer left. There is no seller left. There is no seller left. Sorry. Everyone want to buy. And what happened that time, that the early buyers who have betted on the speculation, क्या होता है ना, जो बड़े प्लेयर होते हैं, द बिग प्लेयर्स नेवर बेट when the news is out. They bet the stock when there is nothing in that stock and nobody knows about that stock. And only you can understand these things on charts. And I am regularly catching that unexpected moves. So that's why what I am trying to tell you, bet on unexpected. Those everyone knows, अगर सबको पता है तो you will not be getting that. See, Tata Motors tested many people's patience. Many people left from that stock, invested in another. Now Tata Motors has started when no one has expected. So that's why the unexpected happens regularly as stocks go higher than anyone believed possible. Reflex indices आपको लगा था क्या 100 रुपए का स्टॉक 500 रुपए जाएगा? There are many stocks जो 8 के सामने हमारी डबल हो गए हैं. Many. Still people are not buying. मैंने एक्सपेरिमेंट किया था सारे कई सारे स्टॉक. Let's see a example. Let's see here. आपके सामने एसकेएम एक था, एसकेएम एक प्रोडक्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर आईज. हाँ, फर्स्ट एंट्री मैंने 131 को दी थी. आपके आंखों के सामने स्टॉक ने कितना बढ़ गया? 82%. 82% ग्रोथ. एसकेएम एक प्रोडक्ट. कृतिका वायर्स एवरीबडी नो, इन लेस देन सम डेज कृतिका वायर हैज गिवन, हमने एंट्री यहाँ पे ली, 76% रिटर्न in just no time. What you can call 4 to 6, near about in 1 month, Kritika Wire has given 76%. So dare to hold your winning trades and cut your losses sharp. That's the important point of today's discussion. So let's restart with what I was going to tell you. 10 bad habits of unsuccessful trader. ऑलरेडी इन यस्टरडेज लेक्चर एवरीवन, सब लोगों ने कल का लेक्चर देख लिया, बीटीएसटी रूल्स एंड पोजीशन साइजिंग का. होप सबने देख लिया होगा. So what are the 10 habits of unsuccessful traders? Why trading psychology is important? Why people are expecting that after buying the stock should run like this. These are the expectations. But stock market is hardcore reality. Stock goes in swings. Swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. This is a sad reality. After your entry, stock may be sideways for some days, and you exit on that sideways momentum, thinking that the momentum is over or exhausted. And as you exit, the stock will start moving. This is the harsh reality of newbie traders. So we are going to see what are the 10 bad habits that you can remove from yourself to be a profitable trader. Okay, understand this. They trade too much. Small trader को अगर आपको, if you are a small trader and you want to beat institutions, so you need to Pick your trades very carefully. You need to only trade with trends. Don't fight the trend. अगर कोई स्टॉक अप ट्रेंड में है आप उसको शॉर्ट करके बैठ गए so you will lose your money. Don't do this and be picky. जब तक आपको राइट एंट्री राइट अपॉर्चुनिटी ना मिले तब तक इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं हो. कुछ आपकी एक चेकलिस्ट होनी चाहिए. हाँ, दिस स्टॉक इज करंटली ओवरऑल निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी दोनों भी पॉजिटिव में है. एक चीज पॉजिटिव हो गया. देन व्हाट यू कैन सी, आपने अगर फार्मा सेक्टर का स्टॉक ले रहे हो तो ठीक है, फार्मा सेक्टर निफ्टी फार्मा द सेक्टर इज बुलिश. ओके, देन you can go to pharma list and you can buy the best fundamental stock like now Metropolis. 2 days before I told that stock will reverse from here, this blue line, and exactly the stock has reversed from this level. ऐसे बाय करना होता है. एंड डोंट फाइट विद द ट्रेंड. अगर आपको इंस्टीट्यूशन अगर बड़े प्लेयर को हराना है, इफ यू वांट टू बीट द बिग प्लेयर्स, इफ यू वांट टू बीट द बिग प्लेयर्स, देन हैव अ एज. Pick your trades wisely with multiple confirmation. Don't take random trades from random people. Analyze, and if some traders are giving unexpected targets of any stock, don't bet on that. Analyze yourself. If many confirmation received, then invest. Never fall prey for unexpected returns. Unprofitable traders tend to be trend fighters. Like I already told you. And don't try to find top or bottom. You will never going to be predict the right top or right bottom. That's why important to go with the flow. Go with the flow of river. Don't stop the flow of river. You will end up having in trouble. And third mistake, what they do, they take small profits quickly. And they don't cut their losing trade. In this way, we will take an example. Okay. Okay. In how many people who are in from premium group exited the repro? As yesterday I told you, hold here. Many people must have exited this. उनको अगर होता नहीं ना, कंट्रोल नहीं होता. I told that hold it. But many people after seeing a small profit, they have exited. After अगर हाँ stacks of same बहुत लोगों ने क्या होगा, told that here at 1,200 and stop loss was very small and it is now currently at trading at 308, near about. जिसने भी 70-80% रिटर्न दे दिया, हमारे इतने स्टॉक इतने अच्छे रिटर्न दे रहे, so you should hold that stock. And I have already told 8 moving average. Again here applies the same story, 8 moving average. So this is how you can write bigger profit. So that's why don't do mistake of taking early profits. Hold, you should build a holding power. And don't fall for your hopes, fall for your emotions. And ऐसा नहीं है marketing. You will be getting some losing trades also. But don't fear the losing trades. And don't only wait for highly confirmation. There is risk in every trade. In high confirmation trade also, in no confirmation trade also. Hope you are getting my point. Profitable traders understand their risk to reward ratio, big wins and small losses. That's why risk to reward ratio is very important. Take bigger profit and smaller losses. How you can take bigger profit? Ride with the riding method which I have told you guys. Okay, again in the next week I will be telling you rider strategy and some more strategy to how to ride stocks for bigger profits. Not only moving average, there are also some other methods. If some stocks are not following moving average, likely understand this Newgen software. Newgen software is now, Newgen software also after our entry has followed 8 moving average. Like KCL not following 8 moving average. Then how to write this kind of stock? So these are the things will be told in upcoming lectures. Oh, okay. Wanting to be right more than wanting to make money will be very expensive lesson. A trader who doesn't want to take losses will certainly will certainly balk at reversing his position because it signifies personal failure. Marketing सब लोगों को loss लेना नहीं है. Everyone wants to be right. अगर एक भी stock का stop loss हो गया ना, it hurts their feeling. It feels like they have personally failed. It doesn't like if you are अगर आप 50% का भी क्रॉस कर लिए ना, अगर 50% भी आप राइट हो गया ना, तब भी यू कैन स्टिल यू कैन मेक मनी इन मार्केट. So those who are afraid of making losses will end up having bigger losses. If the hardcore mentality should be though, if I don't want to make any loss, you will definitely make the losses, but make sure to cut the losses small. और पहले ही कट कर दो. स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया, निकल जाओ. डोंट वेट आफ्टर hitting the stop loss. And every day wake up and put GTT stop loss order and target order and be worry free. क्या होता है ना, बहुत बार आपको 2000 रुपए प्रॉफिट दिख जाता है, यू सी 2000 रुपए प्रॉफिट, बट यू डोंट पुश इन द एट द मार्केट एंड यू सी प्रॉफिट डायरेक्टली came to 1000 rupees, 50% profit you get with it. What do you think that as the stock will again come to 2000 profit, I will exit. But what happens in the next following day, the stock directly goes down and your all profit is evaporated now. Now you are in no profit, no loss. Again, what you think? And now I will buy more and I will say that when your stock will come to 1000 rupees. Then stock is stop loss. This is a negative mentality. That's always set targets. Always set GPT order for targets and GPT order for stop loss. Every day wake up and put these orders and be worry free for entire day. Don't wait for stop loss for exiting the position by yourself. Put the orders and be worry free. Don't get stressed. And don't hope for no loss trade. There will be no trade that will be as sure that it won't be hitting your stop. मार्केट में सब लोगों को रॉन्ग करने के बाद ही स्टॉक ऊपर. दैट्स व्हाई मेनी टाइम्स एसएल हिट आफ्टर स्टॉक गोes up. This is the hardcore mentality. And another thing, what they think that they will beat the market by taking so many trades. You cannot beat the market by taking so many trades. Don't think this thing. If you are a small trader and you cannot take more trades, okay? And the very bad habit, many people put the CNBC channel and Z business on and take trades from there. So unprofitable traders habit is taking trade ideas from CNBC and TV. Don't fall prey for them. They are just money launderers. They are just giving the stock which they already buy. So avoid this kind of thing. And unprofitable traders want stock ticks, while profitable traders want to develop a trading plan and system. सिर्फ टिक्स पे डिपेंड मत रहो. Build your own trading plan. Build your system. Go for learning. अभी मैं नया प्रीमियम ग्रुप का स्टार ट्रेनिंग का मैसेज डाल गया. Everyone came, but as I told to learn and come to learning batch, very less people are interested in learning. Everyone just wants it. Understand the hardcore mentality. Learning, if you learn, then I will. After learning, if you take tests, then it will be certainly make a valid test, and we will be going to end up having profit. Okay, understand this basic thing. Learning in stock market is important, and you will be learning lifelong. After completing one or two course, the stock market has not ended because it is a never-ending book. Unprofitable traders think that trading is about being right. Profitable traders know that probability is the thing that is going to be main. Like many people, what they think they should be always all right. No one in the market is always right. You have to admit that it is all about possibility. Some people may have accuracy of 80%, means 10 out of 8 trades hit their targets and 2 will hit their stop loss. This is the hardcore and real reality of market. That's why I'm telling you guys, don't ever think that you will be getting 100% accurate. there is nothing 100% in the market. And unprofitable traders don't do their homework because they think that there is a quick and easy route. Easy route to trading success. No, there is very hard work. Every day I spend go through 200 to 300 stock to give you one or two. It's not easy task for me. I daily go to Munafa Sutra and so much scanners website and scan the stock and pick one or two from one or two or you like. Every day I need to do this work. I need to understand global analysis, what is happening at global level, what are those prices of forex, means what is happening in US. Everything I need to do and think. That is my homework. That's why I'm currently giving that uh, highly accurate test because of my learning homework. And unprofitable traders. Questions is how much they can make if they write. While profitable traders, it's up to simple. बताता हूँ. जो भी बड़े बंदे हैं, those who are 1% people who are making money in the market, they only think that अगर वो wrong हो रही है वो कितना कम use करते थे. If you are wrong, you admit quickly and you cut your stop. Means as in market आपने किसी साथ में एंट्री ले लिया और stop आपके डायरेक्शन में मूव करना स्टार्ट कर दिया and then there is a big difference in successful and unsuccessful trading. One successful trader book profit very quickly and successful trader write their profit. This is biggest difference. Or unsuccessful traders always keep their loss making spots and profitable traders always keep their profit making spots. This is the one of the biggest difference I have ever came to know. Now we will move on next part. Emotions. Emotions are the key thing. Emotions are the most important thing in the market. The most important emotion is hope. Hope is a dangerous emotion in the stock. Everyone want to make their small account in a too big account. It's not that much easy. You have to work hard, you have to learn. अगर आप किसी शॉप में भी काम करेंगे ना वहाँ पे मॉर्निंग 9 to 6 काम करने के बाद 5 to 6,000 10,000 कुछ ना कुछ तो मिलेगा. And you are coming with 10,000 and you are thinking that I will make this 10,000 account to 1 lakh rupees in a month, in a 15 days. Don't come in the market with unrealistic expectations. Be realistic. Understand how much you can need when you are right and how much you can need when you are wrong. And take entry with predefined risk level. आपका जब भी आप कोई भी स्टॉक अच्छे इन्वेस्टर की एंट्री ले लिया ना तो कितनी आपका लॉस वो पहले ही डिफाइन कर लीजिए. अगर डिफाइन नहीं किया तो आपका लॉस बढ़ जाएगा. अगर सोच लें नहीं अगर 2,000 का लॉस हो गया अभी मैं इसको नहीं काटूंगा एज द स्टॉक विल कम इनटू माय ब्रेक इवन लेवल आई विल एग्जिट. दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन. Follow stop loss quickly and don't hope to turning a small account into a big account. Go with the flow, go with the system. If your system is saying that you can generate 5% per month, go with that system. Don't think unrealistically. And many small traders, what they do, they came to market and take risky trades without understanding small position sizing, take a very big quantity and blow their account. एक लोगों को देखिए अभी परसों some days before I received a message from a student from Patna and he lost his entire capital in option trading. That's why I am telling you, hope is very dangerous. Hope to turn small accounts into bigger one in very small time frame is very bad idea. So go with a plan, go with a system, go with a trade plan, and think of long. If you want to stay in the market, build your wealth, then think of long term. Don't think of short term gains. In the second and the most important, emotion, that is fear. Fear of losing, fear of losing, fear of being wrong. ठीक है ना, रॉन्ग होने की क्या हो गया, आपने कोई स्टॉक लिया, आपने कुछ एनालिसिस किया, वहां पे आपका स्टॉक लॉस हिट हो गया, लेकिन नो वरी, टेक अनदर स्टॉक. आपको पॉसिबिलिटी और प्रोबेबिलिटी में विन करना है. यू कैनॉट विन एवरी टाइम, यू हैव टू विन इन पॉसिबिलिटीज, यू हैव टू विन इन प्रोबेबिलिटी. आपको कहाँ पे जीतना है, आपको प्रोबेबिलिटी में जीतना है, लाइक दिस. ओके, अगर आप if you take 10 trades and your only 2 trades are successful, means your your accuracy is 20%. But what you are thinking, you are thinking that every time I will lose only 100 rupees, but I will take 500 rupees profitable. अगर ऐसा भी करते हो ना, 1:5 का रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड रेशियो रखते हो, तो with only 20% accuracy still you can beat the market and be profitable. So that's why risk management is very important. Understand this risk reward matrix. वहां पे there are 22 days in the month. If you are making money in 15 days, and I expect that you will be losing 7 days money. 7 दिन आप lose कर दिए. Let's take example. If you are making, it's purely an example. If you are making 5,000 per day, then for 15 days it is going to be 75,000 rupees profit. But what you did that I will limit my losses to 3,000 rupees every day. I'm taking 3,000 rupees loss. If 3,000 rupees hits, I will close my laptop and I will close my screen. I will not watch the market entire day. No, I will not do for recovery trades. If you do this with strict system and strict rules, then at the net end of the month, you will be having 50,000 plus. After deducting brokerage and everything. That's why understanding risk management, emotional management is important. Taking bigger profits and cutting your losses very short. That's the very important thing you can do. And beat the matrix. Understand this again. There are 252 trading days. अगर आप 500 रुपए भी डेली बना देना, तो it is yearly 1.26 lakh rupees. अगर every day if you are making 1,000 rupees, it is directly 2.5 lakh per year. If you are daily making 5K, it is directly 12 lakh per year. So go with the flow, go understand this risk matrix. Okay, compounding. In the next upcoming lecture, I will tell you how to build wealth, how to build your 1 lakh account to 1,50,000, 2 lakh rupees. There will be wealth creation, wealth building lectures are coming. Just stay with us. Stay with me. I will be guiding you for everything. Okay. The moment you start having trouble following your trading plan because you don't want to lose or take loss or admit you are wrong and exit, that's when you have entered in a danger zone. अगर आपने इस कैंडिडेट का कॉल ले लिया, आप 85 क्वांटिटी ले सकते हो, पर आपने ले लिया 300 क्वांटिटी. You have just increased your taking sizing. And what you have taken fall of Bank Nifty and Bank Nifty is falling. क्या होगा? You have अगर आपका stop loss hit हो रहा है, but you have cancelled the stop loss order and आप wait कर रहे हो, नहीं, I will not take the loss. That's where you have entered in danger zone. Treat trading like a business. When there is stop loss hit, exit. Don't wait for recovery. Don't wait for any wait. क्या होता है, many people what they do, they take bigger position sizing. They take big lots. They take more than needed. मैंने कल ही पोजीशन साइज कर दिया. तो कैपिटल 1 लाख रुपए आपने 80 लाख रुपए इन्वेस्ट कर दिए, तो वो स्टॉक थोड़ा सा भी नीचे गया तो आपके आज का हार्ट बीट विल बी एक्सीलरेटेड एंड योर palms will be sleepy. Many people can't sleep when they take big position size risk. And don't take Bank Nifty overnight trade. Don't take option overnight trade. That's the most risky part. Don't do this. Always lower your position size. So a win is still meaningful, but you can trade in an unemotional state. Emotion will not cover you. Emotional क्या होता है ना, बहुत बार एक ट्रेड मालूम है आप क्या हुआ, you have entered in a stock and the stock has fallen somehow for 1 or 2% and you feared, and again the stock has came to your buying price, and what, in panic you have exited that stock. In the following day the stock will hit at the upper circuit, and what happens, you end up having regret. Regret is another emotion. अगर ऐसा कुछ हुआ तो डोंट वरी, द मार्केट इज फुल ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज, वेट फॉर नेक्स्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी. Okay, that was the most important thing I need to tell you. If everyone, and only may money is made by discounting the obvious. ये बहुत हार्ड है ये एक सेंटेंस, आपको इलेबरेट करता हूँ सिंपल वे में. डोंट बाय विथ योर इंडिकेटर, buy with the emotion, buy with the crowd psychology. Everyone will buy the breakout. You should buy before breakout. Breakout created by big player. That's why I rarely buy breakout. I always give breakout stock for just BTSP. I never give swing or positional trade only on breakout level. Why? Because that I know that breakout is a crowd psychology. Everyone will buy the breakout. After breakout, 1 day or 2 days, there will be a momentum. Then the momentum will get exhausted and stock will hover around and people will exit in panic. Then stock will again start the journey. So what I do, I make the list of breakout stock and add them, and as the stock retest and show a sign that the stock is ready for next flight, I take the entry. This is how you can do. And one thing, understand, when the majority thinks that spring at the market has made it stop, don't think yourself. You should always be singular, then follow the crowd. You need to aware. Again, if there is everything, everywhere is panic in the market, further panic, everyone thinking that the market is falling and it will fall further, and there is no hope left for Indian market or this market, that market, that's sure. Then understand that now the stock has made its bottom. Now market is getting clear cut road or route for reversal. क्या होता है ना, नेगेटिव न्यूज ऑलवेज कम्स व्हेन देयर इज अ बॉटम and positive news always comes when there is a top. Understand this? General rule. If you are continuous 3 days loss, then don't trade for next days. Next 3 days. Go back, study mode, refresh your mind, go meditation, do nutrition, do yoga, and daily basis, on the daily basis, do exercise. It will keep your mind fresh. Do yoga. And whenever, if you have trading capital of 1 lakh rupees and you end up having 10% loss, then don't trade for entire month. Go wait for 1 month, take break of 15 to 20 days, learn something, understand something. Why I lost 10% of my capital, then come back sharply. Okay. That's why maintaining a trading journal is compulsory and most important thing. Okay, after journal use, the last thing we will understand here. A losing trade costs you money, but letting a losing trade get too far out of hand can cause you emotionally. क्या होता है ना, you have taken entry in a stock, आपने 5 पॉइंट का स्टॉप लॉस लगा दिया. Like now, one stock I will tell you, career point. It was a clear cut breakout. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ था, ब्रेकआउट हुआ, ब्रेकआउट. What happened? एज पर बीटीएस के 1% के नीचे डाउन हो गया तो एग्जिट कर लेंगे. स्टॉक ओपन 1%. I expected to go down. Then I have given exit here. But many people not exited. They remained in the stock in the hope of stock is coming. That's why the loss is getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. The stock is not here. This is how you can badly trap if you don't follow the rules. That's why market will give you many takeouts. This is a clear-cut breakout. And from that breakout day, the stock directly fallen. Every screener, every indicator gave buy signal and stock has fallen down. That's why I always give only BTC trades in the breakout stock because many breakouts are failing. That's why you need a validity. Now many people bought the Dinora. Dinora again see one thing. This was a long range in this candle given breakout. I have told the guys those who can buy just BTC. In BTC it has given good return. If you are not exited, then again came down. This is how breakouts are trapping. That's why we with us that we know right trend, right understanding, and where to invest, when to exit. We follow the way. Don't be lazy to follow the way. Okay, hope you guys understood the lecture today. Again, there are many things. Your trade should be ending on this note. A small win, a small profit must be there, or a big profit. But never take big loss. A small loss is accepted, or exit at entry price on brokerage charges. But you should never experience big loss because big loss for covering the big loss, you need a big profit. And your habit is to take small profits. How you can go that? That's why it will take you years to come profitable if you lose big. So understand this thing. Just make your trading general and understand how you are taking trades. Keep record of these things. I repeat, keep your own records. You must put down your own figures. Don't let anyone else to do this. You will be surprised to know that how many new ideas and how many mistakes you are doing. You will know that. That's why understanding these things are important. Okay. Okay. If anybody has doubts regarding emotional management, let me ask you. Don't ask other. This is the lecture purely for emotional management, risk management, not for any stock recommendation. Don't ask if you are stuck in stock. This is not the place. Okay. Should I end this session here? I will close the recording. Watch this, watch this lecture again and again and follow the rules. Okay. Got no response, so ending the session.